So I've been thrifting and I found a Birkin at the thrift and in my favorite color. Would you look at that? You guys see the tag? Yeah, thrifting. You heard it. I went thrifting and I found my favorite color in a Birkin bag. Let's see.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Okay, so this is my bag. I got this from a thrift store. Guys, I left the tag on it for video purposes because I knew I was going to film a video on it, so I left the tag. Once I show you, I'm going to pop the tag off. But this is the tag from the thrift. $26.99, and it was blue tag, and I think blue that day was like 50% off or so I didn't even pay $26.99 for it. But this is the purse. I customized it. Now I can pop the tag off. But this is the purse. This is what it looks like. It resembles a Hermes bag. It's not fake. It doesn't say Hermes on it. It's just like it took like the silhouette. It has, you know, the flap that you put over in the middle, and then the two hooks on the side. I have charms. You guys know I like to customize my bags. Go watch my video of me making these Bratch charms and Funko Pops in the charms. But yes, so this is, I got this as a set off Amazon, these two. This is Roxy and Phoebe. I got them off Amazon. I will leave a link down below so you guys can get you some. And then I have this charm from Michaels. I think it's Michaels or Five Below. And then I got this charm off of Amazon. I got it so it could match the bag from Amazon. This is what the bag looks like. This is what it looks like inside. I have it filled. I'm going to show you guys everything I have inside. I love what's in my bags videos. I'm so nosy. So if you're nosy just like me, then this is the perfect video. Let's go inside. Let's get into it. I want to start off by saying it has pockets. It has this zip up pouch here. And then it has this pocket here. And then the middle section. Okay, so I'm going to start with this pocket. So first off, I have a charger. I have a Hello Kitty charger. I got it from Five Below. It's pink. This is what it looks like. Hello Kitty charger from Five Below. I got this rose mirror brush. It's a brush mirror. So you open it like this, and then you push it, and it's a brush. You can just brush out my puff real quick, but yeah. And then it's a mirror. So yeah, it's a brush and a mirror, compact, and it's a gold rose. Next, I have Tylenol Extra Strength. Can't go wrong with some Tylenol. I be having headaches sometimes, or like just pains, sometimes menstrual cramps, so I'm gonna use me some Tylenol. Also in that pocket, I have a $10 bill. It's all wrinkled and old, but a $10 bill. I don't really carry cash, but just in case. Now I'm gonna go into this main pocket. That was all I had in the side pocket. Now we're gonna go into the main pocket. So first things first, I have lotions. See, plural, lotions. I have more than one. So I have Jergens Ultra Healing, and then I have Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. So I have these two lotions. These two. I just love lotion. I'm gonna put some on now. Put some on now because I don't want my hands looking all dry. But lotion can't be dry, can't be ashy. Next thing I have is some tissues. They have a Bible verse, Matthew 19:26, with God all things are possible. Some tissues. Can't go wrong. With the way this weather is, I'm bound to catch a cold because right now it's like 60 degrees, if that. It feels like a straight fall day, and it's August. It's August 21st. The next thing I have in my purse is deodorant. This is Secret Powder Fresh 24-hour invisible. Solid. I love solid deodorant. I do not like that clear deodorant. Some deodorant. I know what deodorant looks like. I love the smell of deodorant, especially like powder and like linen scent. I love the smell. I got a little mini deodorant. Can't be musty. That's one allegation you cannot beat. The musty allegations, you don't want that on your jacket. You don't want that under your belt. Musty, oh. The next 3 things I have in my purse are lip glosses. I'm a lip gloss girl. I love me a good gloss. So I have 2 from the beauty supply store, and then 1 is from NYX. So these 2 are from the beauty supply store. One of the brand is Ruby Kisses. I'm stuttering Stanley today, but this is Ruby Kisses Crystal Gloss in the shade Pink Lemonade. Pink Lemonade. I'm gonna put some on, but yeah, this some gloss, Pink Lemonade from Ruby Kisses, and then this is the NK lip gel. This is the mint flavor one. So these 2 are from the beauty supply store, and then this is Butter Gloss by NYX, and it's in the shade Creme Brulee. So these are the 3 glosses that I have. The next thing that I carry with me is a notebook. I got it from Claire's. So it's just this little mini notebook from Claire's. It's so cute, and it also has a pen, has a little pink pen, and then the pages are pink. As you guys know, my favorite color is pink, so if they have it in pink, give me 4 of them actually. Love this. But yeah, I got it from Claire's. It was $9.99. I heard Claire's going out of business, and then I heard it wasn't, so I don't know. The next thing I have in my bag is a portable. I got this from Best Buy. I think it's the Best Buy brand, but it's just a portable. You just tap your, you know, my phone has this thick case on it, but put your phone and it charges your phone. You see what it says charging? But yeah, it's a portable. The next thing that's in my purse is my AirPods. I have this case, it's from Amazon. It's just like the Hubba Bubba case, but I have some AirPod Pros. They're filthy, so I'm not gonna get too close, but I got me some AirPod Pros. Can't go wrong. Sometimes you need to tune out the noise, people talking too much. I get overstimulated. I get to be acting crazy. I need to put some music in and calm myself down, so I need me some headphones. The next thing I have in my purse is a perfume. This is one of my favorite perfumes. This is the Juicy Couture Malibu. I love this. It looks like this. I love this fragrance so much. Oh, it smells so good. I love this. I think I got this from like Ross, but I got it specifically because I always wanted to have it on me, so I got the small bottle. But yeah, it's hard to find these like in stores, but they usually have them at like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. But yeah, I love this fragrance. This is Malibu by Juicy Couture. Love this. And then brush in here. I didn't take it off the package yet, but this is a hairbrush, and it has like a parrot on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but hairbrush. Can't go wrong with that. Right now my hair is in its natural state, so I don't use the brush as much, but yeah. The last 2 things I have in here is gum. I just added them to my bag. I have Trident, bubblegum, and spearmint. Some gum. I like to have gums in all my bags, and I just realized that, like, wait girl, you don't have my hair is puffing up, but you don't got no gum in your bag. So yeah, gum, spearmint, bubblegum, Trident, Cosmo, Wanda. Also, the bag comes with itself, like the bag, it comes with the crossbody strap, and it also comes with the lock, but I don't want either of those on there. I might put the lock on the front, but other than that, no. But it comes with the lock. That's it, that's all. In this zip up pouch right here, I just have I have coins. Like, hold on, I got like quarters and shit. But yeah, that's why I put my spare change in that pouch back there. If I was outside, because I'm currently in the house, I would put my phone in there. My phone would just sit, it would just sit in my bag like that. You can't even see it, but that's my phone. So yeah, I just have my phone. This is the phone case I have on it. It's from Temu. So yeah, that's it, that's all, y'all. And that's my purse. That is the little Birkin I got from the Thrift, but it's not a Birkin, it's just, it just took the silhouette. So I guess, what is it, a Birkin, a fake Birkin? But it's not even that, it's just a dupe. But yeah, this is my purse, and it literally was only $1, and this is probably like the nicest bag I ever seen in there. But yeah, so that's it, that's all. Those are the contents of my purse. That's what's in my bag, y'all. Like I said, the bag, you can take it and, you know, put it over and put the lock and stuff, but I don't want to do that. I want my bag open because I want to be able to have access to my belongings, and I don't want to have to fiddle with the lock, and I don't want to do all that. But yeah, this is my purse. This is what it looks like. And it's my favorite color, is pink. Like, and this was the best bag I ever saw at the thrift store. I'm like, I started thrifting one day because I saw a line wrapped around the block, and I'm like, why are they all going crazy to go in a thrift? So one day I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go in there one day. And one day I was bored. I was like, Mom, let's go thrifting. And she was like, you want to go thrifting? And it's been our little hobby ever since. We've been going since like June of this year, so about 2 months. But out of the 2 months I've been going, I've never seen a bag this nice in here. And it was brand new, and it was pink. And it's my birthday month as well, because I'm like, oh yeah, I have to get this. So yeah, this is the purse. It's just like this croc bag. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Like I said, when I'm outside, I put my phone in there. But that's all, y'all. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for supporting me. Comment down below. Comment down below if you guys go thrifting. Tell me if you guys ever been thrifting. Tell me about your thrifting experience, what you found, the best thing you ever found thrifting. Comment down below. I want to talk to y'all about that. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with the flower name, because my name is Daisy, the flower name, right? But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for supporting. Bye.